today we're going to be outside of my house. Also, we have a YouTuber toy, which I'll give you a few hints. He plays Minecraft. He doesn't have a voice. He chats and he makes Minecraft animations. They're not really Minecraft. They're not really animations. Still inside Minecraft, but they're not animations. Yes. You guessed it. Exploding TNT. Yes, that's a YouTuber toy that I got a while ago, actually. Well, I actually got this today. I didn't get it a while ago. Here's his TNT shield. Here's his little TNT symbol in the middle. I wanted to get Captain Sparkles because he's got his little slime friend with him. Because I like slimes, any slimes, even though they hurt me. Anyways, also we got TNT nunchucks. I don't really know if they're nunchucks. I think he pulled them apart. Anyways, we also have a time bomb. Yep. So, how many subscribers for Exploding TNT? Put it down below. Also, the Portal. I don't know, the Portal series. No, actually, we can't, because we've lost. Well, if I'm going to do it, there's going to be a different main character, because something happened to him. Yes, his head disappeared, and I can't find him anywhere. So, there's going to be a different main character. It's not going to be one of these. And I will try to get more of these. I'll try to, because these things are $10, man. A lot of money. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Yes, let's do it for you guys. Anyways, I hope you do enjoy the video. Also, if we get 10 subscribers, I will do a tour of everything that I have. Yes, of everything. Like, everything that I have in my backyard and everything. Yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smack that like button and smack that subscribe button too. And put slime on it. Yeah, put slime on it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you all next time. Bye-bye.